In the middle of our busy lives, noise, stress, endless scrolling, we all have just 1 or 2 quiet minutes a day. What if those minutes could change you? Welcome to Steps to a Better You. Here, we believe that even if your life is already good, there is always room to grow. We all have weaknesses, habits, and blind spots, and by fixing them, we become stronger. Our videos are short, 1 to 2 minutes, just enough time to learn one simple, powerful idea and apply it to real life. Everything you see here is inspired by psychology, sociology, and the works of respected thinkers and researchers. These ideas are not just opinions, they are lessons proven over time. We organize our content into clear playlists so you can choose what you need most: habits, mindset, relationships, or self-growth. Because real change doesn't happen all at once. It happens step by step. If you become just 1% better each day, by the end of the year, you'll become a completely better version of yourself. If this journey feels right for you, subscribe, like, and share your thoughts. Your support gives us the energy to create better content for a better world. 1 minute, 1 step. Steps to a better you.